Good morning students. Today we are going to start the second activity, that is A2 for evaluation 2. Now what you have to do here, shade 1/4 part of your palm print and fill half of the other palm with thumb impressions. So one part I will do for you. So here I have drawn my palm. Any palm you can draw. Okay. So here first of all I have drawn the left palm. And we have to shade the 1/4 of the palm print. So this is a palm print. Now in order to find out 1/4 of it or 1/4 part of the palm print, so for that we have to count the number of complete squares, number of half squares which are inside this palm print. Okay, so for that I have counted, I have written inside in each square I have written 1 2 3 4 in order to count all the squares. So here first of all I will find out number of complete squares. So number of complete squares I counted which are inside the palm are 108. So complete squares are 108. Even the 3/4 I have considered as complete square. So complete squares as well as the 3/4 squares. So 3/4 squares will be considered as complete squares. So first of all you should find out number of complete squares. In this palm print the number of squares or the complete squares is 108. Then I have counted number of half squares. So that I have shown with the different color. So you can also use different colors in order to show the complete squares and half squares. So number of half squares is 12. Now let us find out total number of squares. Okay, total number of squares inside the palm. We have to add 108, that is number of complete squares and half squares. So 108 plus 12 divided by 2. Why I have divided by 2? Because I want to find out how many squares are inside the palm. How many squares are included in the palm. So for that half squares, 2 half squares will be considered as one complete square. That's why it is division by 2. I am repeating, 2 half squares will be considered as one complete square. That's why 12 divided by 2. Whatever you will get here, that will be divided by 2. So half squares, number of half squares will be divided by 2. So here 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. You may get 13. Okay. You may get odd number that will not be divided completely by 2. In that case you will consider, or you can round off the number. If you will get 7, either you take 6 or you can take 8. Is it okay? So here for me it is 12. It is a even number which is easily divided by 2. So which is equal to 6. So 108 plus 6 is equal to 114. So number of squares which are included in this palm print is equal to 114. Now I want to find out 114. Okay, 114 is the number of complete squares inside the palm print. But I want to find out what is 1/4 part of these complete squares. So as 114 is the number of complete squares, that means area covered by this palm is 114 square centimeter. Understood now why we are finding the number of squares included in this palm print? Because we want to shade 1/4 part of the palm print. For that we should find out number of squares included in the palm print. That is, we want to find out how much area is covered by this palm. So 114 square centimeter is the area covered by the palm. Now we want to shade 1/4. So we should find out 1/4 of 1/4. Now 1/4 of 1/4. We can write down this 1 by 4 into of means into 1/4. Okay, so 1 by 4 into 1/4. Now you divide 1/4 by 4. you know division very well, you will get 28 and half. Okay, that 2 will be remainder. So 28. So 28 complete squares and 1 half square will give you the 1/4 part of the palm print. I am repeating, 28 complete squares and 1 half square. 28 complete square and a half square will give you the 1/4 part of your palm print. Okay. So 28 squares I have shaded and 1 half square I have shaded. In this way, 1/4 part of your palm print you will shade. Okay, this is a one part of the activity. I am repeating, shade 1/4 part of your palm print. You will draw your palm print. You can draw left or right. It is up to you. Okay, so I have drawn here my left hand. So here, after drawing that left hand, you have to count how many squares are included. For that, first of all, we will count number of complete squares. 3/4 squares will be considered as complete squares. So count complete squares, then half squares you count. That half will be divided by 2. In this way, total number of squares inside the palm will be calculated. That is complete squares plus half of the half squares, that is 108 plus 6, that is 114. That means actually area covered by this palm is 114 square centimeter. Now we have to find out how much is 1/4. Okay, so 114 divided by 4, that is 28 and a half. So 28 complete squares and a half square you will shade. In this way, shading will be completed. So this is the first part of the second activity. Now what is the second part of the activity? It is fill half of the other palm with the thumb impression. Okay. Now on one more graph paper you will draw your palm print. If you have already drawn left hand, now you can draw right hand. Okay. So draw now right hand palm. Okay. Then you find out in the same way area covered by the palm. That is, find out number of complete squares, number of half squares. Okay, ignore 1/4 square. 3/4 square will be considered as complete squares. Okay. Then add complete squares and half squares. That will give you the area covered by the palm in this way. Then find out what is half of that area covered, and those many squares will be shaded with the, or will be fill up with the thumb impression. Your thumb impression you will use, any color you can use. So 2 graph papers separately you are going to submit. Okay, these 2 parts are the parts of the same activity. This activity is divided into 2 parts. Is it okay? So in this way, the second activity you have to complete and submit. This carries 10 marks, so it is compulsory for everyone to submit. Is it okay? So it is very clear now. So I hope everyone has understood and everyone will submit it to me in the Maths Lab group. Okay. So thank you and have a nice day.